Good morning friends. How are you all? Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and enjoying learning through all these videos. I am Rupal ma'am. Yesterday we had learned about vehicles on land. याद है आपको? तो आज हम उसका रिवीजन करेंगे. Are you all ready? Let's get started. Children, do you know how we travel? We use different types of vehicles to travel from one place to another. Now let's see. What is this? This is a bicycle. Bicycle has two wheels and only one person can sit on the bicycle. You can also play on a bicycle and ride a bicycle. What is this? This is a truck. Truck is used to carry goods. What is this? This is a bus. You can go from one place to another in a bus. What is this? This is a tractor. Tractors are used in the villages. What is this? This is a motorbike. Motorbike has two wheels and only two people can sit on a motorbike. What is this? This is a car. You can go in the car from one place to another and enjoy with your family. What is this? This is an auto rickshaw. What is this? This is a jeep. This is a train. It has many carriages. It runs on the railway tracks and it stops at the railway station. This is a school bus. Children go to school happily in a school bus. So children, let's again revise vehicles which move on land. Bicycle, truck, bus, tractor, motorbike, car, auto rickshaw, jeep, train and a school bus. All the vehicles which move on land have wheels. तो wheels की एक rhyme करेंगे हम. Are you ready? Okay. Wheels of the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels of the bus goes round and round all day long. Now let's see the solution of the worksheet. I had given you a practice worksheet of vehicles that move on land. You had to tick the vehicles that move on land. Here, first picture is of a boat. Boat does not move on land, so we will not put a tick mark. Next is a bus. It moves on land, so put a tick mark. Cycle. Cycle moves on land, so put a tick mark. Car. Car moves on land, so put a tick mark. Ship. Ship does not move on land, so we will not put a tick mark. Cruise. Cruise does not move on land, so we will not put a tick mark. So children, I hope you all had fun doing the practice worksheet. So I hope you all have learned properly about vehicles on land. है ना बच्चों? Okay. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.